Let's read more words. Words that name the body parts of a butterfly. The body parts of a butterfly. Wing, wing. Head, head. Mouth, mouth. Eye, eye. Leg, leg. The body parts of a butterfly. Head, eye, mouth, wing, leg. The body parts of a butterfly. Name the body parts of a butterfly. Head, eye, mouth, wing, leg.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCAD Tutorial Services.